Hello everyone. Today my first blog. I started to make the blog in different in scenario. Today I explain the type of equipment. First you see that what is in you maybe understood and you know what is it. It is a gym equipment and it is a statics device and that you see and it is a gym workout and he he is a new technology. He is a new new model of a gym equipment and total weight in 80. You see the total weight in 80 and this area this equipment if you know your body stress means if you this that workout you modify you are in chest that is a chest workout and he is made of the steel rubber and I just say कि workout which type of workout you do. First of all you stand this and back side and in the both two hand one hand and two hand one and two hand you push off you just some force in outside and below if just that you force in outside that you force it outside to that is the upper that is and some get upper side if they is upper side up they in upper side then it throw in one cable throw in a one cable to throw in one cable and push in one and that reason your body in stress to your body in stress and this that is stress in some changes in your body and everyone people thinking and right now fit and bodybuilder people like if you are a good bodybuilder uh, maybe all people first of all people person think these people work out in yours in self and third you are also look like a very well. I started and that like this I also this side also so if I push I is I force in outside if that if I force in outside so then is throw his cable and throw his cable and pull it in doing outside this outside and I set in only 15 kg 15 that is in outside I not only one type in both are the pure position maybe you see it's a very unique means कि gym equipment and this in people just sit in this area and take the support that is only supported your backside and he is a very normal just if you say this is a very normal this is a very normal and this maybe you see in the backside is he is a stable he is in both 1 and 2 and 3 4 and in supported in the 4 first of all 4 in the different type of thing and supported in the not supported in the current and this backside is similar he is strong he is made of the strong metals and he is a one and two is a rod two is just you see this is a rod and this is a pulley and throw pulley because what is a work in a pulley if you like mostly in Gharshan less and if you not installed in a pulley then if you not in pulley this area So your force is higher than, and he's a lost. And pulley mostly just if pulley mostly force is less. Is if not install fully to you just I just in this is very less, very means very less force, and this is up if not install fully, then it maybe is used in the higher in okay. By to every day I I make the one block and upload it in my YouTube channel. Okay.